Welcome back to the fourth episode in our crypto arbitrage series. Today, we're taking a big leap forward by discussing how to combine different arbitrage strategies, like triangular arbitrage, cross-exchange arbitrage, and spatial arbitrage to maximize your profits. We'll explore advanced concepts, show you real examples, and share tips to help you create a complete trading system on both Luno and Binance. This episode is packed with insights, so stay with me until the end. Why stick to just one strategy when you can multiply your opportunities by combining several? Here's why combining strategies is a game changer. 1. Increased opportunities. Relying on a single strategy limits you to specific market conditions. Combining approaches lets you trade in any market environment. 2. Diversified profits. Some days, cross-exchange arbitrage may be more profitable. On others, triangular arbitrage might dominate. Combining strategies smooths your earnings. 3. Risk reduction. If one strategy underperforms, another can compensate. For example, when fees are too high for cross-exchange trades, you might profit from triangular arbitrage within the same exchange. Now let's see how cross-exchange and triangular arbitrage can work together. Imagine you're trading on Binance and Luno, starting with 2,000 USDT. 1. Cross-exchange step. On Binance, BTC is trading at $30,000, while on Luno, it's at $3,200. Buy 1 BTC on Binance for $30,000 and transfer it to Luno. Sell 1 BTC on Luno for $3,200. Gross profit $200. 2. Triangular arbitrage step on Binance. Take the $30,000 from the Luno sale and transfer it back to Binance. Use triangular arbitrage to grow this capital. Start with 30,000 USDT, convert USDT to ETH, place 1 ETH to your 2,000 USDT. You get 15 ETH. Convert ETH to BTC, 1 BTC equals 15 ETH. You get 1 BTC. Convert BTC back to USDT, 1 BTC, 30,200 USDT. You end with 3,500 USDT. Profit from triangular arbitrage, $200. Combined profits, cross-exchange arbitrage, $200. Triangular arbitrage, $200. Total profit, $400. This approach doubles your profits by using 2 strategies in sequence. Let's now include spatial arbitrage, using regional price differences. Luno prices differ between countries. Luno South Africa, 1 BTC, 560,000 ZAR, South African Rand. Luno Malaysia, 1 BTC, 565,000 MYR, Malaysian Ringgit. Steps. 1. Buy BTC in South Africa. Convert 560,000 ZAR to BTC at the local price. 1 BTC, dark 560,000 ZAR. You get 1 BTC. 2. Transfer BTC to Luno Malaysia. Transfer the 1 BTC to your Malaysian account. 3. Sell BTC in Malaysia. Sell 1 BTC for 565,000 MYR. Profit. 565,000 MYR, 560,000 ZAR, adjusted for exchange rates. Combining strategies. After profiting from spatial arbitrage, reinvest the capital in triangular arbitrage on Binance. This layered approach ensures no opportunity is wasted. Scaling is essential if you want to turn arbitrage into a serious income stream. Let's discuss how to grow your system. 1. Automate your trading. Use trading bots to monitor multiple exchanges and execute trades instantly. For example, Hummingbot allows you to run both cross-exchange and triangular arbitrage strategies simultaneously. 2. Increase capital gradually. Start small to minimize risk. As you become more comfortable, increase your trade sizes. Example, instead of trading 1 BTC, trade 5 BTC for a 5x increase in profits. 3. Focus on high liquidity markets. Stick to major pairs like BTC, USDT, ETH BTC, or XRP USDT. High liquidity ensures you can execute trades quickly without significant slippage. Finally, let's talk about managing risks when combining strategies. 1. Track fees. Carefully, always factor in withdrawal, trading, and network fees. Use exchanges with fee discounts, like Binance, where using BNB can reduce fees by 25%. 2. Minimize transfer times. Transfer delays can kill profits. Choose faster coins like XRP, LTC, or TRX for cross-exchange transfers. 3. Use multiple accounts. If exchanges have regional restrictions, set up accounts in different countries to access spatial arbitrage opportunities. 4. Stay updated. Monitor market trends, exchange policies, and fee structures. Arbitrage opportunities can disappear quickly if market conditions change. Combining arbitrage strategies, cross-exchange, triangular, and spatial, gives you a powerful system for maximizing profits. By scaling your operations, automating trades, and managing risks effectively, you can turn crypto arbitrage into a consistent income stream. Thank you for sticking with me through this deep dive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try, or if you have questions. See you in the next episode.